Everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Kamal. Today I'm testing FSD 13.2.9 again. This video I did not record with external camera, so I'm just using the Tesla dashcam footage to record this video. It's a morning time. Busy traffic during business hours, and I'm just looking to see if we can find anything exciting. Because the dash cam does not record the video audio, I'm just doing a voiceover on the edit. I sped the video twice the speed. It's a voiceover, so it does not affect it. The ride was pretty smooth. The ride is going pretty smooth. No issues at all. It's a little bit of stop and go traffic. There's a red light in front of us. Feels like it stopped very close to this trailer, but it is okay. It didn't hit it. Joking. Yeah. There's a school zone right in front of us right here. Normal speed limit is 25, but it's 20. You can see light flashing on the right. It's pretty okay. I followed the trailer in front of us and all the cars. It's going the same speed as others are going. If they were slowing, it would be slower. If it was faster, the cars in front of us, it would go faster. Version 13 does not recognize the speed zone during the school zone. It just goes the normal speed. You can adjust it through the speed limit through scroll wheel, which is not an option for version 14. They removed the max speed cap. Tesla AI, they want everything to be done autonomously. They want the car to do it, so they removed it from the version 14. It does pretty well on version 13 as well, pretty smooth. Just sometimes it does not allow us to start FSD from park in some places. Other than that, it's pretty smooth on the road. We can see here, red light, slows down, comes to a complete stop. Pretty good. I'm just chilling, no worries. It's on prawn mode. I enabled it for this ride to see if there's any difference, and then all of a sudden you can see right here it just started moving. I don't know why. Let me know if you guys in the comment, you guys know why it did that. I engaged FSD after I slammed the brake as soon as it started moving forward. But after that, yeah, it's pretty smooth. And funny thing, it did the same thing at another light. But I didn't have it. I just didn't want to make it too long. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.